Hi, good morning everyone. If you are trading in Nifty, Banknifty and FINNIFTY as an option buyer, then this video is for you. Today we will learn how Stockyfly take trades in option trading and how it helps a trader to become a profitable trader. If anyone trading manually can become profitable if he or she follow the rules which Stockyfly follows. For those who have no idea about Stockyfly, Stockyfly is India's first cloud-based automated trading algo platform to trade Nifty, Banknifty and FINNIFTY. This platform is getting popular due to its good customer base, consistency and accuracy. Three important rules Stockyfly always follow. Number 1. Always go with at the money strike price, also known as ATM strike price, so that premium will be a bit higher and decay is less. Also, always avoid today's expiry. It will decay fast if market will remain sideways. Place stop loss very strictly. Stockyfly always use stop loss of 50 points for Banknifty, 20 points for Nifty and FINNIFTY. The lot size to be adjusted accordingly so that per trade risk will remain always the same. If you are currently doing these mistakes, then please avoid it. Number 1. Don't overtrade. Overtrading will bring more and more brokerage and taxes only. Also, if when market is sideways, then consecutive stop loss will hit easily. So multiple trades in a day may cause more damage to your trading account. Number 2. Don't carry any position, neither in profit nor in loss. Stockyfly always close the positions intraday basis only. Reduce the lot size when your monthly target is achieved before the month ends. Once your monthly target is achieved, always remember to reduce the lot size and play defensive. That means avoid high risk trades for the remaining days of the month. Believe in your strategy. Always follow a simple strategy if you are trading manually. If you are already using Stockyfly, then this platform already have an inbuilt strategy that it follow very strictly. I believe all strategies work in its own way, but the magic is only risk reward thing. Let's analyze last month, that means April month's trades very quickly and see how Stockyfly take risk and rewards. The objective is to make you understand. You can follow the same if you are trading in Nifty, Banknifty and FINNIFTY manually. Believe me, follow the same process as Stockyfly is doing and you can achieve the profitable results very easily every month. This is one verified P&L from buyers for the month of April. You can easily notice that per day, hardly 1 or 2 trades max is being traded by Stockyfly algo platform. Also try to learn the loss management trick Stockyfly platform is doing. It just cut off the position through placing a strict stop loss on every trade. Whereas on profit side, it always wait and take some time to capture the profit if the market is moving in your predicted direction. Both losses and profits are part of the trading process. Make sure to make the loss size fixed so that at the end of the month you can achieve a good level of profit. This is another verified P&L from JACKPOT for the month of April. Please note that all verified P&Ls are available in our Telegram and WhatsApp groups so that you can access them easily for your learning purpose. Now coming to the point, Stockyfly take trades in JACKPOT, Fires and Angel One accounts at the same time and manage the trades at the same time. Stockyfly always makes sure the stop loss is in position in every trade. If stop loss hit, then the trade is strictly closed. Avoid taking next trade immediately. Take a break and take the next trade when there is some action in terms of momentum in the market. Else simply avoid trading for the day and start fresh in the next day. Always remember, all strategies works well. It is only about few discipline things that a trader need to follow. If you are planning to link your trading account with our algo platform, then contact the details I have already provided in the video, also is available in the video description. This is all about how you can become a profitable trader in option buying. We'll catch you soon traders. Goodbye and have a good day.